In the relentless world of industrial wood processing, a new breed of mechanical monsters is revolutionizing how we transform forests into finished products. With machines that can devour entire trees in seconds and slice through timber with microscopic precision, these technological marvels represent the pinnacle of human innovation in the eternal quest to harness nature's resources. Let's dive in as we showcase everything from German-engineered clearing behemoths to automated sawmill lines that can process hundreds of cubic meters per day. Comtech Crambo 6000. The world of industrial shredding reaches new heights with a powerhouse machine that dominates the waste processing landscape. This remarkable shredder tackles an unprecedented range of materials, from massive tree stumps and whole trees to construction debris and even asphalt shingles. The secret lies in its dual-shaft design, which aggressively feeds materials while keeping fine particles to a minimum. At the heart of this beast are 134 ruthless teeth mounted on the industry's longest shredding drums, stretching an impressive 9 feet 3 inches. These massive dual shafts tear through materials with unmatched efficiency, setting new standards for industrial shredding capacity. Under the hood, a state-of-the-art Caterpillar diesel engine delivers raw power while meeting modern emission standards. The expertly soundproofed engine compartment ensures surprisingly quiet operation, making it a neighbor-friendly choice for any worksite. Available in 3 distinct configurations: track-mounted, trailer-mounted, or hook-lift. This versatile machine adapts to any operation's needs. Maintenance couldn't be more straightforward, with all service points accessible from the outside and generous side doors, providing clear access to the shredding chamber. This isn't just another industrial shredder. It's the largest in the industry, designed to process high volumes of material while maintaining superior performance across an unmatched range of waste types. PRP 58. In the heart of industrial woodworking stands a remarkable innovation in log processing technology. At its core, this powerhouse effortlessly slices through logs of every size, handling diameters up to 350 millimeters with precision and ease. But that's just the beginning. The enhanced model pushes boundaries even further, featuring an impressive 430 millimeter vertical clearance between rollers for those extra challenging pieces. With a horizontal frame clearance of 580 millimeters, this machine takes on the giants of the forest, especially after initial band sawmill processing. The engineering excellence shines through in every detail. Dynamic blade tension systems maintain perfect cuts, while the innovative openwork construction revolutionizes the entire process. A groundbreaking feeding mechanism handles short logs with unprecedented efficiency, transforming the workflow completely. What truly sets this system apart is its incredible versatility. The redesigned feeding trolleys adapt seamlessly between long and short wood with minimal adjustments. Beyond traditional sawmill operations, it excels as a multi-rip saw and serves perfectly as a pallet processing powerhouse. Most impressively, it achieves all this while maintaining an exceptionally small kerf, maximizing material efficiency in every cut. This isn't just another piece of equipment, it's a complete woodworking solution that's changing the game in industrial timber processing. A T75 Rayco aerial trimmer. Breaking new ground in precision tree maintenance comes a revolutionary aerial trimmer that redefines maneuverability in tight spaces. This full-sized powerhouse navigates narrow distribution rights of way with unprecedented ease, featuring 3 distinct steering modes that put complete control at your fingertips. The engineering marvel boasts an incredibly tight 13-foot turning radius when engaged in 4-wheel steering mode. Switch seamlessly between 2-wheel, 4-wheel, or crab steering to tackle any terrain or spatial challenge. Despite its impressive capabilities, the machine treads lightly with minimal ground pressure, preserving the integrity of the worksite. At its core, an innovative square inner boom design delivers exceptional rigidity, translating directly into cutting precision that sets new industry standards. The cabin serves as a command center, engineered for comfort during long operating hours, with intuitive steering wheel controls that make operation feel natural and effortless. For operations demanding extra versatility, the machine can be equipped with tire chains for challenging conditions. When transport between sites becomes a squeeze, optional narrow reversible tires ensure the unit stays within width restrictions, maintaining mobility without compromising capability. This isn't just another piece of equipment. It's a complete rethinking of how aerial trimming should work, combining power, precision, and practicality in one remarkable package. Moorbark Eager Beaver 2131. Enter the realm of professional wood chipping with a machine that sets new standards in versatility and raw power. The Eager Beaver 2131 stands ready with a massive 20.5 by 31-inch throat opening powered by your choice of muscular engines ranging from 250 to 275 horsepower. At the heart of this beast, the Torque Max dual feed wheel system delivers an astonishing 7,500 pound-feet of pulling force, dragging in the toughest material with ease. The mammoth infeed chute stretches 36 inches high and 59 inches wide, drastically cutting down on saw work while handling substantial material. Intelligence meets brute force with the reversing auto-feed system, which automatically backs material away from the drum when needed, maintaining peak engine performance. The variable force hydraulic down pressure system abandons traditional springs, delivering up to 10,000 pounds of constant pressure. Available in single axle, tandem axle, or track configurations, this versatile machine adapts to any job site. The track option brings mobility to new levels, featuring either 400mm rubber or steel tracks, with ground pressure of just 4.84 pounds per square inch. Travel speeds range from 1 to 1.8 miles per hour, bringing the chipper directly to the work. This isn't just another wood chipper, it's a complete solution for residential tree services, lot clearing, vegetation management, and municipal operations, where power meets precision in perfect balance. Pezzolato, TLA 13 and TLA 15. From its origins in the 1980s emerges a groundbreaking firewood processor that revolutionizes mixed wood processing. This technological marvel handles logs of varying diameters and lengths with unprecedented efficiency, powered by robust electric motors ranging from 45 to 75 kilowatts. The machine's cutting capacity sets new industry standards, processing massive logs up to 590 millimeters in diameter using an impressive cutting disc spanning up to 1,500 millimeters. At its core, an innovative S-shaped conveyor system with closed meshes seamlessly transfers freshly cut logs to the splitting station. Control sits at the operator's fingertips through a sophisticated control panel, offering both manual and automatic cutting length selection. The integrated log loader responds to precise commands, streamlining the entire operation. Peak productivity surges with 2 operators, though a single operator can maintain impressive output by alternating between cutting and splitting tasks. Engineering excellence meets safety in perfect harmony, with comprehensive safety features meeting all current regulations. The result is a reliable, effective production powerhouse that transforms raw logs into finished firewood with remarkable speed and precision. This machine stands as a testament to 4 decades of technological evolution in firewood processing, where power, precision, and productivity converge in one remarkable package. Timberjack 1470. Meet a titan of timber harvesting, the 1470 powerhouse that commands attention with its massive 17.7-ton operating weight. At its core roars a mighty 183-kilowatt engine, delivering raw power for the most demanding forestry operations. The machine's reach extends an impressive 10 meters horizontally, while its boom delivers a staggering 170 kilonewtons of lifting torque. This combination of reach and power makes short work of heavy timber, with the specialized 758/762C aggregate handling logs with precision and strength. Rolling on 6 robust 700-26.5 tires, this forest giant maintains stability across challenging terrain. Despite its commanding presence, it maintains remarkable maneuverability with transport dimensions of 11.875 meters in length, 2.99 meters in width, and 4 meters in height. The 210 series crane system represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology, offering unmatched control and efficiency in the hands of skilled operators. Every component, from the specialized aggregate to the precision-engineered crane, works in perfect harmony to maximize productivity in the forest. This isn't just another piece of forestry equipment, it's a complete harvesting solution where raw power meets precision engineering, setting new standards in timber processing efficiency. HTZ 1300 Plus. Horizontal sawing reaches new heights with the HTZ 1300 Plus, a powerhouse that redefines speed and precision in wood processing. At its heart thunders a commanding 75 kilowatt main drive, featuring variable blade speeds that automatically optimize for each unique cut. The machine's revolutionary servo-controlled blade positioning system pairs with lightning-fast return speeds, delivering unprecedented acceleration and stopping power. A robust hydraulic system, driven by a muscular 15/18.5 kilowatt pump, executes commands with split-second precision. Control reaches new levels of sophistication through a cutting-edge 10-inch touchscreen interface, complete with comprehensive work statistics. The system's genius lies in its fully automated control, which eliminates operator delays through instant cut programming and optimization. A single proportional joystick commands all operations, while the hands-free cutting system expertly handles both single and double cuts, automatically removing boards without pause. The reinforced construction forms an unshakable foundation for these high-speed operations, while energy-saving improvements keep operating costs in check. This isn't just an upgrade to horizontal sawing technology, it's a complete reimagining of what's possible in modern wood processing, where automation meets raw power to deliver unmatched productivity. Raptor 800. Born in Germany's precision engineering halls emerges the Raptor 800, a machine purpose-built for conquering the world's most formidable land-clearing challenges. This powerhouse stands ready to tackle heavy vegetation management with unrivaled force, whether clearing critical infrastructure corridors or carving vital fire breaks through dense terrain. From pipeline maintenance to power line protection, professional plantation work to intensive forestry operations, the Raptor 800 delivers raw power wrapped in German engineering excellence. Every component, every connection, every detail reflects an unwavering commitment to durability and productivity. The machine's design prioritizes accessibility for maintenance, ensuring maximum uptime when the work can't wait. When paired with the AWI M900 mulcher, this combination creates an unstoppable force in vegetation management, setting new standards for what's possible in land clearing operations. This isn't just another piece of heavy equipment, it's a complete solution for the most demanding clearing operations, where German precision meets raw power in perfect balance. For professionals confronting the toughest vegetation management challenges, the Raptor 800 stands ready to deliver uncompromising performance in even the most punishing conditions. Mibor CDH Sawing Line. Enter the world of industrial-scale sawmill technology with the CDH Sawing Line, where circular saw innovation meets cutting-edge automation. This powerhouse processes logs ranging from 100 to 500 millimeters in diameter, delivering staggering output volumes of 200 to 500 cubic meters in just 8 hours. The system's advanced 3D scanning technology analyzes each log with microscopic precision, unlocking maximum value through sophisticated optimization algorithms. As logs move through the line, automated turning and positioning systems ensure perfect alignment for every cut, maximizing yield while maintaining relentless production speeds. Flexibility defines this system's DNA, with multiple configurations available to match specific production requirements and cutting patterns. The highest performance models showcase automation at its finest, where every step from initial scan to final cut flows in perfect synchronization. This isn't just another sawmill line, it's a complete reimagining of what's possible in modern wood processing. When maximum production meets uncompromising flexibility, the result is a system that sets new benchmarks in the industry, delivering unprecedented efficiency in high-volume timber processing. For operations demanding both superior output and adaptability, this technology represents the pinnacle of circular saw innovation, where every log realizes its full potential through precision engineering and automated excellence. The evolution of these industrial titans shows no signs of slowing, as manufacturers push the boundaries with prototype machines that promise to double current processing speeds while cutting energy consumption in half. Make sure to watch these next videos to witness more boundary-breaking forestry machines.